Hi Crazies, today we're gonna make mashed potatoes. So here's what we're gonna do. Peel off the potatoes first. Did you know, Crazies? Potatoes are pollinated by insects and bugs. What? Then chop it into cubes. Then throw it on the casserole. With enough water to boil, add a little bit of salt. Add some pepper to give some spice. Then let's put it on the stove. It's now boiling. Let's wait at least for 10 minutes. Let's poke it with a fork. And let's check if it is soft enough. If it's a little bit hard, wait for another minute. Mine is soft already. Let's strain it. Then mush it on a bowl. Did you know, Crazies? A potato is still living after you harvest it. Together with butter, milk, and a little bit of salt. And did you know, Crazies? Potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space. What? Beep beep. And it's done. Let's taste it. Hope you like this cooking show and see you next time, Crazies.
Suggest another dish that you want us to feature next. Comment down below.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell
to see our newest videos.